Hello friends, welcome back to Know Your Diving Skills. Today we're going to talk about your buoyancy. We're going to go over the basics and give you tips on how to improve the technique. Everybody ready? Gosh, let's go! On the surface, we are going to check our buoyancy. Deflate your BCD completely. Take a whole breath and see if water stays at eye level. Depending on the material of the tank, either aluminum or steel, we will recommend, if using aluminum tanks, to have the water level at forehead, because aluminum tanks, half empty, become positive buoyant. To become a good diver, you need to perfect your buoyancy. The way to do that, in case you become too positive, is to start deflating your jacket. Once you start deflating, you're going to start dropping fast. The most important thing is to always anticipate. Anticipate when you're going down to inflate your jacket and to breathe. Relax yourself. Your breathing also can change your buoyancy. If you breathe too fast, you become positive. So now you're going to have to compensate by deflating your jacket. So relax. If you become positive again, anticipate that. Before you start going up, you start deflating little by little. Same as when you're going down. Start inflating little by little. And always breathe normally. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this information useful and you apply it to your own technique. Diving is a beautiful sport. Always remember safety and conservation. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and dive community. See you next time.